I want to take a moment to review this tripod because when it arrived, it was actually way better than I thought it was going to be. It's the AMTT50 SIRUI, and I spent a lot of time looking at reviews of different similar products before I settled on this one. Let's talk about some of the stuff it does really well. These are ridiculously solid legs, and once you lock them in, it's a very robust base. It does not move at all. By pulling on these, you can release them to go to whatever angle you want. They've got to stop there, stop there, stop there, and then all the way up. So basically several positions. So you can take them down one notch and get something of an angle like that, a little higher up. The center can be moved in and out by loosening this ring here. So you get a few inches of vertical motion, and it's a very easy screw. It doesn't take much energy to lock it down all the way until it holds. Same thing with the tilt head. The screw for this, you barely have to put any force on it to lock this thing in. So just like a couple ounces of force, and I cannot move that head anymore. So it's a really solid thing. The head will go all the way to the vertical position. So if I'm, like that. It's got a level on the top, which is cute. Really only does any good if the, the whole thing is all the way in the 90-degree position. So it doesn't do much good when it's in the standard shooting position. But that's okay. It's there for a purpose. The top has, if you unscrew this, standard hot shoe kind of or a mounting shoe thing with a nice threaded 1/4 inch, and there is an adapter in the package to go to the larger size. The only thing I don't like about this is you have to use a screwdriver or a coin to tighten it, but minor problem. As with all the other screws, it doesn't take much force to get this to the point where it's not going anywhere. So it's a very, very solid thing. You'll notice that there is an angle ring around here, and so if I loosen this knob, that swivels easily, and it's got a little bit of a fluid head to it. It's very pleasant to use, and just a little bit of force locks it in. It's not going anywhere. So setting it up was easy, and I'm doing this. I'm using this for a little teleprompter arrangement with a mirrorless Sony camera, and the teleprompter arrangement is made out of metal and glass, and with the camera on there, the whole thing weighs maybe, I don't know, 5 pounds, and it's offset from the center point of this, so it was putting a fair amount of torque on the other one, and the other one kept just dropping like that. With this, just put it the angle I want, tighten this a bit, and the thing's not going anywhere. Now I'm actually using it in the lowest position, like this, so I have to make a few changes to get it to lock in like that. But once I've done that, I've got a really solid base. Things are just not moving. The only reason it's moving here is because I just overextended the bottom a little bit. If I bring that up some, it doesn't move. It is really strong. The legs do extend. There's just a little bit of force locks them. Each 1/4 turn, or each little turn on this knob locks in one more depth of the thing. So when it's all the way tight, a little pop and just one comes out, tighten it up. Another pop, 2, 3, 4. So fairly long extension on those. The tripod will go pretty high like that. Very easy to use. Nice foam rubber coating on these, very easy to hold. So if I wanted to lower these all the way down and kind of hold the thing like a grip like this, I could do that pretty easily. I don't see doing that a whole lot, but it would work if I wanted to. And that's, of course, the full up position. And then for folding, you just bring those all the way up. Boom. And just like that, everything is put away. So very, very happy with this. I will be using it for a long time. It does exactly what I want. It's really compact, and it is very well built. I don't expect to have any trouble with this for quite a long time. All right, there you go.